Yo, what's up my crypto legends? Let's go right away through the volatility. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I missed this move right now. Holy crap. Oh, I hate my internet. Internet is absolutely ridiculous. Yeah. Okay, I'm live. Let's go, guys. How is everyone doing? Wow. Oh my goodness. Massive pump to the upside, up, down. Oh my goodness. What volatility. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Hopefully we're gonna fall much lower. Gold is getting a massive hit. We got S&P 500 getting the hit. S&P 500 didn't have the wick to the upside. It's Bitcoin, highly manipulated market, got a massive pump and then a massive drop here. I'm gonna wait here on the on my trades on PrimeXBT. The ones on Bybit, they're both out. The trades that I had here on Bybit, they are both out. The one here from the long, I took over 60% of profits. Massive wick to the upside, come back down. This was very much expected. That big short squeeze kind of scenario, big pump to the upside over $20,000 and then a major correction. Let me know, guys, because my internet crashed. Smash up the like button. Sorry for that, guys. Actually, you shouldn't smash the like button, guys, for this very, very poor internet and this and the show. Let me just scroll here through the comment section. What was it? 0.75%. Very much expected. So maybe this dump is going to get a huge bounce. Oh my goodness. It was a shame. My Bitcoin trades are out, but my trades on PrimeXBT are still open. We could have get a massive rebound here. I would expect the market to fall a bit more. Yeah, let's see what happens, guys. Round two, Joseph, thanks for joining the live stream. Oh my goodness, it's 0.75 in the end. Who says 1% here? Who is saying 1%? I got someone saying, Infantai saying 1% here in the comment section. Don't lie. Hola, Crypto Legends. Mark Dutch, how are you doing? Thanks for joining the live stream. I got 2,400 right now in a profit on PrimeXBT from shorting gold, shorting S&P 500. Should I just close the positions? I was going to close it at 4,000 in profit or zero. They are protected at this moment. Should I get those profits? Are we going to get a massive bounce, guys? Or are we going to continue to the downside? Why dumping? Yeah, well, it should be priced in, right? If it's 75 basis point, it should be priced in, which is very unusual. This is just potentially volatility. Hi, Andy. Crazy price action, right? Yes, Dan, absolutely. BTC bouncing right off the previous daily low for now. Exactly. We're getting that bounce for now. What is going to happen? Don't tell me we're going to get a massive bounce here. I feel like closing my positions or leaving them open. It was 2,500 in profit, 1,800. Oh my goodness, guys. Hopefully we're going to go lower. I'm not going to close it till I see 4,000 in profit here on PrimeXBT. If not, zero. Really nice volatility, guys. Remember, if you are interested in trading other markets such as gold, such as S&P 500, natural gas, you got PrimeXBT. For me, it's the best platform for trading all of these different assets. You can use Bitcoin, US dollar tether. You can use Ethereum as collateral, which is absolutely phenomenal. It's the one that I am trading, the other markets. For Bitcoin and other cryptos, I use Bybit, of course. You got the links down below, okay, if you are interested, because you got an insane bonus on PrimeXBT. There's 7% added to your deposit. And on Bybit, 4,380 that you can claim at the rewards hub. I got out of my trades on Bybit. Both of them are out. But thankfully, I'm still in one. I'm still in some trades here on PrimeXBT. But this was just for fun, really. It was kind of for fun because of, oh my goodness, gold. It had a massive drop here, all the way to 1,650 approximately. Let's see if we're going to get that collapse. I just want to explain the gold short that I made here. Basically, we were in a long range here. We were creating lower highs. And I was just checking the value area from this trading range here for the last 5 days. Massive fake out, swing failure pattern. This is the reason why I shorted gold right there. Don't tell me we're going to get a big massive pump right now, because Positions are protected. Should I close the positions? This was basically for the live stream. Wait for Powell to dump the market, says more. Says Ski. Holding a trade open during FOMC is risky. They're all protected. These trades are protected at this moment. This cannot be a negative. If this though goes down to $100 in profit or zero, they are all at break even at this moment. So this is just, let's see. You know, we're going to see the Federal Reserve talking also in just about 20 minutes. He's probably going to say, it's going to continue. We're going to, you know, put interest rate hikes much higher. It's going to maybe going to be 1% the next time. And maybe the markets are going to get a massive hit just by him talking. So I think it's worth to have these trades open. This could be several $1,000s in profit if that does happen, if not zero. You know, I'm riding a free trade. DXY pumping like crazy. Well, let's go to the DXY chart. And something curious that we were talking about on the DXY is that it was very, very likely to continue this price action. Look at these random lines that I do have on the chart, okay? Random lines, because I do get some people saying these are only random lines. They don't mean anything. We had a cup and handle scenario right over here. This one was a little bit aggressive here, coming all the way down, but massive cup and handle here. Big pump, reaching the technical target from the cup and handle. This was all the way back here in June, all right? Happened in July, bang, to the exact target. We were printing the same kind of cup and handle here. Resistance in July, round formation, resistance, consolidation, cup and handle, classic, bang, bang, and then back up again. So overall, I think, you know, we should be pumping still in the next coming days and weeks. Despite what the Federal Reserve does, because we had this projected move from the breakout. So yeah, all on track. We should be hitting the 112 levels in the next, you know, couple of days before Friday potentially. Anyway, let's go through the comment section. Nice catch, Andy Nomadman. Catch on the other markets on PrimeXBT. I got my Bitcoin trade was out. I was still in this long, took most of the profits, entered a short position, but got stopped out. You know the deal. When there's news, it's insanely risky. A very tight stop loss, so I got stopped out. This was a likely scenario. Get all of those retail or early shorters out of the market. So a fake pump, and then to get all of those early shorters out, and then have the dumpy action. And this is basically what happened. But overall, it's a very tight stop loss. You know, I did long here these low levels, took over 60% of profits, and this was a very, very small position, around about the $19,500 range. Just got stopped out immediately. You know, this is the thing with the news, and basically this is why I don't like to trade the news. 75 basis points, says Mustafa. Hopefully internet connection is good right now. Oh, what a fail during the big massive, you know, event. Andy, good job. You trade it based on news or technicals. The short position on gold, basically. I shorted the S&P 500. Also by technicals, more the gold position by technicals. Like I explained, gold, of course, gold is another one. You know, DXY goes up, gold is going to go down. You know, if we do have interest rates going up, gold is also another market that's going to get hit. But it was trade based on pure technical analysis. You can see the short position on gold here at $1,675, and I can explain that right away. You know, this was, you know, in a massive downtrend. We were creating lower highs here consistently, as you can see on the chart. But not only that, of course, it's a kind of a bear flag. If we do get the value area here, a volume profile from this range, we were bouncing consistently from support and resistance, as you can see right there. Getting above, you know, bouncing out the value area low and just fake out of the value area high. There was a massive swing failure pattern here that played out beautifully. Oh, we're getting a massive pump right now. Come on, let's get the market down. Don't let me down now. The other time we did have the CPI data, markets were just dumping and dumping and dumping and dumping. But massive swing failure pattern here on gold. This was based on technical analysis, not because of the news. Oh, we're getting massive pumps now. What's going on? How excited is this? I'm showing you all of my emotions today because they're news, but there shouldn't be any emotions while you're trading. Guys, please make sure to smash up the like button. Let's try and get as much people here on the live stream. These are the events that I need people to come in, subscribe to the channel. So smash up the like button. It's very much appreciated if you do enjoy the show, if you do enjoy watching the volatility. Oh my goodness, gold. I'm at entry point. No, not at entry point, but $10 away. Oh, massive wick. Can create a swing failure pattern here and pump. What happened on BTC? BTC got a massive big dump. Maybe this, are we getting back into the value area here? Oh my goodness. Hopefully this is going to be just a retrace volatility and then back down. Hopefully. If not, getting stopped out of my positions at break even. It doesn't matter. Oh my god, gold. Don't tell me we're gonna get a massive pump on gold now. Had a beautiful short position that probably gonna get stopped out at break even. Love you, Andy, says Uma. I love you too. I do enjoy your internet connection, says Noob Gamers. Alright, stop it. Stop it. I'm sorry about that. Internet just crashed. Just at the exact same at the moment of the news. Exactly. Close 50%, says Nomad Man. Also, very true. Could just close 50% of the trades. But no, I'm just going to leave it. I'm just going to leave it. If it does get to $4,000 or $5,000 in profit, I will close. But yeah, to zero, or yeah, I'm not gonna take that profit. This is just for the sake of the news. I have a feeling that this is the end of the dump, and we're gonna start holding the range here and getting a massive bounce. What do you think? Don't short, says Kalai. Not now. I think it's not safe to short right now. As you can see, Bitcoin is holding the value area here. As you can see, we talked about this range today. Great, nice trade here. Keeping it insanely technical on Bitcoin. We're having a lot of fun now with the news and volatility. It's okay, but this is not really the ideal battlefield to trade on. But this from today's live stream. Whoever didn't watch today's live stream, we were talking about this value area low, the 618 Fibonacci retracement from the pump here, and what else? It was a massive daily level. It's getting respected at this moment. Is it going to be broken or not? I'm not sure. S&P 500 is still getting the hit. S&P 500 just touching the 3,800 points. Yeah. Now going stop loss hunting, says Kala. Yeah. Very possible. We could have a massive short squeeze, guys. This could happen. Gold is king. I'm shorting gold. I am shorting gold. Gold had a great shorting scenario here with the technicals. Shall we take a look at some crypto? Shall we take a look? I'll just focus on Bitcoin, guys, or the DXY. Are we going to go lower, or is this it? The S&P 500 is still at critical range. I mean, if we go to let's go to the 15-minute or 5-minute chart. I mean, yeah, selling pressure is absolutely huge. This is probably just going to be a dead cat bounce scenario, and then we're going back down, guys. This is what usually happens when you drop. But with a news event, who knows? We might get a massive V-shaped recovery. Let's see what happens. Anyway, shall we take a look? 2 BTC is minutes, a must-have for everybody. Tarun, thanks. Theta, please, says Pac-Man. Let's take a look at Theta Network. Why not? We want to focus on DXY, on Bitcoin, on gold. DXY going through the roof, of course. Will it continue pumping? I guess so. It's very likely to continue pumping. But we can take a look at Why not? We can take a look at Theta Network, an insane project. Currently at the $1 levels. We can zoom out on Theta, see what's going on with Theta. Theta's still trading at this range, as you can see. If Theta breaks down this $1 support, nice round psychological support level at the $1, if it does get broken, we should be expecting a big bounce at the 75-cent level. Big resistance here, large consolidation from 2020 in between October and December. So it should be getting a bounce. We should be having some nice range trading opportunities at these levels. Yeah, not much to say on Theta. Theta at $1 for me is a good buying level, okay? This is market exhaustion right there. Few months trading in between $1 and $1.50. These are the levels we want to start buying up. You know, can we go lower? Absolutely, but there will be at some point that we're going to have a massive recovery on Theta. Not much to say on Theta here. Are we going to pump massively? What's going on? Will the markets continue to the downside, or will we aggressively pump? Guys, let me know in the comment section. What do you think? The hike means nothing. Have to wait for Jerome Powell to speak. He's speaking in 8 minutes. Is it in 8 minutes? I think it's in 8 minutes. Hopefully he's gonna, you know, give massive bearishness for the next coming months. Come on, guys, let's drop. I want to have profits here. I'm happy with today's profit actually on Bybit. Not gonna lie, but you know, if we do get a few thousand here on the different markets, then yeah, why not? Phantom, please. How much time till he speaks? I think it's about 8 minutes. We've got interest rate decision, Federal Press Conference at 8:30 Central European Time, which is 8 minutes from now. I think I've got this here. I've got a few places where potentially he's going to be live. Yeah. Hopefully he's going to be live here at the actual Federal Reserve website. Let's wait and see. S&P falls. Yes. Dump it so I could buy more Ethereum. Absolutely. Can you stream Powell's speech? We got it. I think it's here. Okay. This is actually on the Federal Reserve website. So it says watch live September 21, 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. So yeah, that's going to be live here. We can put it on. Let's see if it is live. It's at the actual Federal Reserve website. Come on, dump the market. We want it to dump. I'm in short, so I'm happy to dump and to buy cheaper. Why not? Live speech, Chris. Yes, I think the live speech is on the website. We can go through that right on in the next 5 minutes. People aren't smashing the like button enough, says Shane. Absolutely, guys, smash the like button. Why not? Overall, this is a really cool show. It's a show as well. Apart from technical analysis and taking a look at news, we are here to read the comment section and to, you know, do some really nice technical analysis, guys. If you want to see during the news events, there's massive volatility. We got the Fed's conference right now in just a few minutes. We don't really want to trade the news. I did trade some technicals on PrimeXBT and on Bybit as well. If you want to take a look at the massive technical move on Bybit from today's live stream, guys, while we were trading just below $19,000 during the live stream, looking for that leg up here to the $19,400 range, played out absolutely beautifully. That was insane technical analysis. Check out today's live stream that was just about 7-8 hours. Was it about 8 hours ago from now? 8-9 hours ago from now. You can check it on the on YouTube. Okay, go to the video. We talked about this pump and the rejection from this range, also explained in today's live stream, and why there was a high probability in getting a big massive bounce from this range despite we were in a downtrend. It was a risky long, but overall there was high probability in having that leg up. And as a technical guy, I was very much, you know, level to level trading, leave some trades open, have some shorts here for the actual live stream for the news event. had a massive pump, stopped out and back down, but managed to get into a very, very good short here just before the pump from the news. So got stopped out from that. But overall, the profits from this long was insane. If you really want to take a look at the technical analysis, today's live stream was spot on, you know, showing you how it was highly probable to have that leg up to 19,400, okay? Hitting the 618, hitting a massive daily level, hitting the value area low from this range. It was a, you know, it was a very likely scenario to come up here to the value area high. So, you know, there are massive good trading opportunities with technical analysis. When the news is here, if you're lucky, you could make some huge gains. Come on, gold is pumping. What's going on? Market should be going down. I'm just here to say I'm fed up of the Fed, says Zeb. It's a fun time. Love this channel, says Paul Langer. Thank you very much. Yeah, this is basically, this live stream is just to, you know, take a look at the volatility. It's not really, you know, trading in the inside of this environment is very, very risky. Okay, a lot of volatility, especially if you're using high leverage. You can get liquidated or stopped out immediately. Hopefully, the Federal Reserve is who's doing the speech? I guess, is it Jerome Powell? Hopefully, he's going to say he's going to get aggressive with interest rates, and and that is going to create a little bit of dumpy action on the market. Hopefully, dump, free fire. First rule of Bitcoin. Never sell, never short. Andy, what is the website you check news on Federal Reserve? Well, the ones for the news, I do check Trading Economics, okay? Tradingeconomics.com. It's phenomenal. It tells you all the important news from every day. There are some not so important news. The ones that are important, they're usually highlighted in red. Trading Economics. Right now, I'm just seeing if we can manage to see the Fed conference here in the actual Federal Reserve website. I mean, supposedly it should go live in a few minutes. Let's see. Hopefully he's going to dump the market. Dump soon, says Barox. I hope so. But if not, never mind. Tomorrow's another trading day, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new, because we will be doing live stream technical analysis. If you checked out today's live stream, come on guys, this was spot on. I get a lot of hate when some trades doesn't play out, but when it does, come on guys, I need some feedback on the scenario mentioned today. It played out to perfection with a tight stop loss. DXY dumping now. No, DXY needs to pump. Come on DXY, you need some pumpy action. It's just a small correction. Come on. Let's see. Fed conference right now in just 1 minute, and then and all the market bang to the downside. It's probably not going to happen, but let's see. This is so much fun. Game Pro, thank you. Dump, says Rodrigo. Mark Dutch always giving me insane support. Thank you, my man. Seb here also. Took one long and one short, and my news trading win rate is 100%. Oh, I actually got stopped out from the short. Yeah, got stopped out, but I was in very nice profits from this long. So overall, it was an okay move on Bitcoin. Let's see if these trades on PrimeXBT are going to go to a few $1,000s in profit. And if not, it's just going to be at break even. Let's see what happens. So much fun here. I'm actually going to start trading some other markets such as gold, natural gas, do some analysis in the morning before I go live. Because it's also cool to trade other markets, guys. Technical analysis works with other markets, with any market, of course. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you are interested in trading on PrimeXBT, you know the deal. You get 7% added to your deposit. It's another way to support the channel, of course, because I get a small commission, but you get 7% added to your deposit. You're using Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT as collateral, and you're trading gold, S&P, natural gas, oil, you know, Forex, It's absolutely phenomenal, guys. This exchange is the place to go if you only want to be in crypto, right? I used to trade in Interactive Brokers before, and yeah, they wanted all my bank details, all of everything, where I live, where this and that. Yeah, no more of that. Full on crypto. I'm using crypto to trade other markets, and that can be done with Prime XBT, which is absolutely phenomenal. You got the links down below, guys, for that insane bonus if you wish. Powell is live. Is he live right now? Oh, there he is.
Stability, the economy does not work for anyone. In particular, without price stability, we will not achieve a sustained period of strong labor market conditions that benefit all. Today, the FOMC raised its policy interest rate by 0.75 percentage point, and we anticipate that ongoing increases will be appropriate. We are moving our policy stance purposefully to a level that will be sufficiently restrictive to return inflation to 2%. In addition, we are continuing the process of significantly reducing the size of our balance sheet. I will have more to say about today's monetary policy actions after briefly reviewing economic developments. The U.S. economy has slowed from the historically high growth rates of 2021, which reflected the reopening of the economy following the pandemic recession. Recent indicators point to modest growth of spending and production. Growth in consumer spending has slowed from last year's rapid pace, in part reflecting lower real disposable income and tighter financial conditions. Activity in the housing sector has weakened significantly, in large part reflecting higher mortgage rates. Higher interest rates and slower output growth also appear to be weighing on business fixed investment, while weaker economic growth abroad is restraining exports. As shown in our summary of economic projections, since June, FOMC participants have marked down their projections for economic activity, with the median projection for real GDP growth standing at just 0.2% this year and 1.2% next year, well below the median estimate of the longer-run normal growth rate. Despite the slowdown in growth, the labor market has remained extremely tight, with the unemployment rate near a 50-year low, job vacancies near historical highs, and wage growth elevated. Job gains have been robust, with employment rising by an average of 378,000 jobs per month over the last 3 months. The labor market continues to be out of balance, with demand for workers substantially exceeding the supply of available workers. The labor force participation rate showed a welcome uptick in August, but has little changed since the beginning of the year. FOMC participants expect supply and demand conditions in the labor market to come into better balance over time, easing the upward pressure on wages.
Absolutely boring. Come on, say you're going to get really aggressive with interest rates and dump the market. Come on, we're getting a huge bounce here at this moment. No! Oh my goodness. Right. Gold trade is out at this moment, and it was an insane profit. It's getting a big, massive bounce at this moment. Stopped out at break even. Ah, come on, Jerome Powell. I hate you. Dump it, Jerome Powell. Old man looks baked. And me, no like. Pump it. Just dump it. Oh, my goodness. It's going to pump, man. Pumpy time. Yeah, it does look like. Yeah, it seems like 0.75. The price was baked in. We're probably just going to hold the range and maybe get some pumpy action in the next coming days. It didn't happen. It didn't happen. Overall, I'm still sticking with my short here on S&P 500 and natural gas. Natural gas is probably not going to get, of course, it's not going to get very much related. Gold is getting a massive pump at the moment. But anyway, most importantly is protecting your capital. That was actually a few $1,000s in profit. Should have taken some profits, right? Never mind. This was just for the live stream. We'll be back onto our normal, regular trading by tomorrow. Let's see what gold is doing right now. Bang! Massive bounce. Look at this. This is what you get when you trade the news. You know, if you can trade it and protect your position. Let me put a bit of relaxing music here. absolutely insane. Had an insane short position at this level. We claimed the lows. I mean, we're probably going to do this now. But anyway, most importantly, get protected from your positions. Had a beautiful short exactly at this level, you know, just so you can get the idea. I had and it's gonna bloody dump now. Bloody hate trading news. Trading news is crap. I get stopped out always at break even or stop loss. I hate trading news. It's absolutely crap. No, but just explain the actual technical move on gold here, like I just explained at the beginning of the live stream. You know, massive volatility. Bam, get those, you know, longs stopped out, get those shorts stopped out here. Massive wicks to the upside. It's what you get when you're trading news. So it's very much, I was very much aware of this. As long as you're protected, my entry point on gold was exactly here at 1,674 range. Why? Because of the swing failure pattern. Had a lot, you know, I had almost about an hour to get into that trade. Stop loss above this high. Of course, as soon as I was in profit here for the live stream, stop loss was at break even. Okay. Just got stopped out right now live on the gold position. S&P 500 is almost just about to get stopped out at break even at entry point. Natural gas is the one that is going to stay open, I think. So yeah, that was pretty exciting, but was insane. I was the reason why I had these trades open was just in case we were going to get 1% here, you know, an interest rate hike, and the markets were going to get a massive collapse. You know, it would have been a beautiful trade to open, but overall we're just having volatility inside of the range. I'm not good trading news. I know how to protect my position, but this risk to reward already, you know, the ideal technical target, looking at the value area, looking at gold. Okay, we're just looking at gold here, guys. This whole channel is based on technical analysis. You know, if it's Bitcoin, crypto, or gold or anything. Reason why I traded this short position was because of the swing failure pattern. We wicked above this high, came back here into the range, still at the value area high from this trading levels. Short right there, stop loss right over here, and was looking to hit the value area low level. Okay, these lows to be claimed. It happened, but I had the trade open just because of the news of the Fed. So it was basically a news event trade to see what happens. Maybe we were going to go to much lower levels, but you know, this was a 3-to-1 risk to reward trade. As you can see, you know, I'm having my stop loss above this high, waiting for the reaction of the value area high, waiting for that swing failure, and you know, the price coming all the way back down to the value area low. So it's a 3-to-1 risk to reward trade here. Yeah, basically the gold one did not play out. I was about $2,400 in a profit, only 385. Got small positions here on natural gas and S&P. The largest one was on gold. Anyway, just talking through here about my trades. Let's go through the comment section right away. I almost couldn't even think fast enough for the crazy candle moves. Exactly. This is what happens. I mean, I don't trade the news usually. Today was a special event. I did say in today's live stream, let's trade the news event. And yeah, I did trade it and stopped out at break even. Most of them, there's some small positions here that are probably going to get stopped out here, a few $100 in profit. They're at break even. Overall, we want to protect our capital and have good risk management, guys. Tomorrow's another trading day. Today was an insane trading day also for Bitcoin. Who managed to trade, for any old subscribers, who managed to trade this long position from the $18,800 range all the way up to $19,400? I am pretty sure that someone did longed this scenario on Bitcoin. What's the rate? It's 75 basis points, so 0.75. So we are having 3.25 in total. It was expected. The forecast was 325. So it is 325 right now. 0.75%. Yep. Mark Dirch, thanks for the insane support, my man. Oh, someone got wrecked here. Samson said he got wrecked. No, we want to try and have tight stop losses, except, you know, don't say you got wrecked. Say me I got stopped out. Got wrecked is not a nice word. Getting wrecked is basically losing 20% of your trading account, or maybe even 50%, or maybe your entire trading account. Yeah, you do not want to get you do not want to lose your entire crypto account. I'm only risking here a couple of percentage here of my capital for these trades, and as soon as I can protect them, I will protect them. And don't worry, guys, I am doing a technical analysis course that will come out in the next couple of months. It will be insanely cheap, but I have to charge something, but it will be cheap, and I will be very, very active through some potential trading scenarios. Just got here. How bearish is Andy? Well, I think the price was baked in. Joseph, thanks for joining the live stream. Mariella, I can't trade. Greetings from the most restricted country, USA. Oh, Mariella's in the US and she cannot trade. There are some comments here that I cannot not read, guys. Andy told me to use 100x always. That is not true. That is not true. Definitely not true. I will never say that. I will never say what you need to do. Wow, look at this bounce. Come on. What is this? What is this? We just got the interest rate decision. We get a massive pump, a massive dump, and now a pump. Come on. Go one way and that's it. Just like what happened here. I mean, this is what I think most of the people were expecting something like this, just like me as well. This is why I had these trades open on PrimeXBT. They're going to get, the S&P 500 is going to get stopped out at break even. I will only have that. It's almost stopped out. The only one I'm going to have open is natural gas. I think, this is the thing. When you're trading the news and you're getting that volatility, I wanted to see something like this. Come on, guys. I wanted to see this. This is why I was in these shorts. Managed to get at the highest point possible on S&P 500. Bitcoin got stopped out. I'm glad I just got stopped out because we're probably going to get a huge bounce at this moment. But, we wanted to see something like this, right? Something like this. Bang, that would have been absolutely beautiful. Bitcoin down to 17k. This is why I had the trades open. Stopped out at break even on the S&P 500. Bloody Jerome Powell. I hate him. Hate him. It all looked so good. All stopped out at break even. The only trade open now is natural gas. Only $300 in profit. Bloody hell, this was over $2,000 in profit just a few minutes ago. Bloody hell. Crap. Never mind. Tomorrow's another trading day. I'm actually getting emotional. I'm really not emotional by trading because I have really strict rules with risk management. But, trading the news is kind of exciting, guys. It's kind of exciting, isn't it? Yeah, don't get excited when you're trading. Trading is boring. When you do things right and make profits, it gets boring because you need to wait for the scenarios. DXY dumping. Let's take a look at DXY. Oh my God, gold. Look at this. Oh, damn. Damn. Who knew, how would you know to long here? This is the thing. When you're dumping and losing the value area low, shorting at this level is very, very risky because it can hold or it can drop. This is a 50-50. I prefer to short at the value area high. This is a beautiful short right there. Creating the lower highs. We're getting acceptance right now on gold. Gold is getting a reaction, getting some pretty nice pumpy action. I guess Bitcoin is also. Bitcoin at 19,600. I mean, look at this. Whew, many people that shorted all the way down here are starting to get wrecked, and they are probably going to get wrecked because we might still continue pumping. Damn. S&P pumping. Yeah, I got stopped out from my shorts, but guess what? I shorted, well high. S&P 500. Let me just show you here on TradingView, on the 5-minute chart. I shorted all the way up here on the S&P 500. Shorted just right there. So you don't want to short down here, guys. Now currently S&P 500 is exploding. Yeah. Stay cautious, guys. People getting wrecked right now. Shorting at the lows. Massive short squeeze. Stay cautious, guys. You do not want to short the dump. I think a lot of people were expecting something like this, me included. But I'm trading at the highs and I'm protecting position, guys. I'm having very tight stop losses. I anticipated some shorts on gold and the S&P 500 through technicals. As soon as I was in profits, position was protected, and it was worth a chance to wait to see if we were going to have this kind of price action. I mean, come on, it was worth a chance. This is what you get with the news. People get wrecked. Or I either get stopped out with a very small loss or at break even. All of my positions were at break even, guys, on PrimeXBT. So this is the thing. You need to learn how to protect your capital. Get at the highest point possible. But all of this will be learned with YouTube, the course that I'm getting out. And so, yeah. People are ridiculous. 75 basis point increase is not bullish at all. Says R here. Yes, it will pump, but it's coming down within a week. Yeah, very possible. Very possible also. I do think so also. Overall market, overall technicals on the S&P 500 is bearish, guys. If we go to the 12-hourly chart, no matter what happens, even though the fundamentals are bearish, we got very bearish price action here for the last few months on S&P 500. The lows here at 3,000. I mean, if we do start pumping by tomorrow and end of Friday, I am going to be looking for shorts here, guys. This is very likely to have this kind of price action on the S&P 500. We are at the verge of breaking this support level here at the 3,800 points, 3,800, 3,900. This range over here, as you can see. If I take the VPVR, we're just at a big major support level. As you can see, big spike getting respected as resistance. We were in a heavy downtrend. That was an ideal short position. I did manage to short this, but it was a very small position. Was waiting to add more to my short. And right now, we're here at these levels. Overall, we either dump from this range, or we either relief rally, which I will be looking for shorts, and then dump to these lows in the next couple of weeks. That is very likely to happen. Yeah, massive wick to the upside, stopped out. I'm not interested in shorting the news right now. Shorting the volatility, because we could get a larger relief pump in a short squeeze, guys. I'm going to wait till tomorrow. Be patient. Overall, I did make some profits on Bitcoin today with the trade that we talked about on today's live stream. Make sure to check out the live stream from today, talking about the technicals and talking about the beautiful scenario that happened. It's dumping right now. Yeah, it's crazy. Pump and dump party, guys. It's a pump and dump party. Not interested in trading this battlefield. This is not my battlefield. It was fun while it lasted. I had, a few $1,000s here in profit. It was fun while it lasted. But those $1,000 profits just disappeared in the air. Luckily, not from my pocket. And it is what it is. It was fun though. I wanted to do some live trading here, on the news, just to see if we were going to have that event, guys. Nobody really knew what was going to happen. So far, it was looking good at the beginning of the live stream. I was thinking, yes, I'm going to get, at least $4,000 or $5,000 worth of profit here on this move down. And we pumped straight back up here to get all of those excited people that thought that we were going to have the CPI kind of movement, right? I think, once you start dumping, like what happened today, a lot of people think that we're going to create this kind of price action, right? I'm telling you, so many people have got wrecked today just by over leveraging shorts. I did manage to short this at this range, okay? But people, think that this is going to happen because you dump. And people, wow, let's jump into some shorts because it's going to go down to hell anyway. And what did we get today? Oh, we got a huge, massive bounce, and we're potentially going to go higher. So just imagine all of those shorters getting in here on the dump. And now, whoop, short squeeze. Pump and dump party. Happy trading bots. Yeah, exactly. Mariella, Seb, Mark Dutch, thanks for joining the live stream. Euphoria day today. Yeah, today was good. I was euphoric. It was pretty cool. Primix BT was fun here to have some trades open live and explaining why I entered on the gold position, why, also on S&P. Overall protecting capital, guys, most importantly. Tomorrow is another trading day. I over leveraged, but KuCoin spared my life, I guess, and I took profit going down, says Little Dog. Phenomenal. Bear trap. It was bear trap. We're just getting that volatility, guys. We don't really know. We're having a massive rejection here on the DXY. DXY is getting a bit of a rejection here from the massive pump and dump. Ape gone parabolic and XRP is breaking. Let's take a look at some cryptos, guys. XRP US dollar. I mean, XRP, guys. We talked about this trade scenario. I did get someone in the comment section saying, Andy, is this a cup and handle on the 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart on XRP? And I said, you know what? It pretty damn right. It does look like a cup and handle right there. You got a resistance zone here at the 38-cent level. As you can see, round formation. You got the handle right there. The third retest, you break up. Guys, we talked about this being a long position on XRP, the 38-cent level. You potentially long this, protected, got stopped out, massive pump. When there's news event, it's hard, guys. It's hard. Overall risk management is what you need to have. But beautiful bounce here at the 38-cent level, guys. We had bearish volume, news event. It's a hard trade. But overall, you know what? I'm looking for shorts on XRP. If we're pumping like this crazy, I'm going to zoom out, check out the overall trend. Knowing that we are in an uptrend, we're going to start hitting resistance, as we mentioned on the live stream yesterday or today on XRP. Big resistance zone here at the 44 cent level. More 44 cent. We got the highs that might be claimed. We got a daily level, and we got the higher highs here. Okay, this is an ascending channel. We got higher lows and higher highs. Big resistance here at 44 cents. I think it's maybe not going to break it. If we do consolidate here by tomorrow, okay, we're going up there. By tomorrow and Friday, if we do consolidate, I think it's going to get it. We're going to have a massive correction. So yeah, anyway, isn't it a head and shoulders on what? Jacob, let me know. Head and shoulder on what? On XRP? Head and shoulder. I don't see head and shoulder right there. No. I'm a long-term investor now. Yeah, me too. Me too. Damn, we got S&P 500 getting a massive pump after the dump. Gold is having a pump also. I've only got the natural gas short open at this moment. Remember guys, if you're interested on PrimeXBT, you get 7% added to your deposit to trade other markets, okay, by using Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code. It's the place to go for me for other assets using crypto. Exciting live stream. Thanks, Andy. Tomorrow will be a new, better day. Exactly. Tomorrow will be a day for trading, okay? Tomorrow will be a day for trading technicals and not this mad volatility. Come on, guys. Whoever traded, hope was protected, like me. Protecting the capital. Not risking too much, of course. And enjoyed the volatility, basically. It was a come on, let's see if we're going to get a dump. And I was, if I did see $4,000 or $5,000 in profit, I was just going to take the profit. No target. It was just a random trade. If you have your position protected, why not have a random trade? It's all about risk management. All about risk management in trading. Psychology is a bunch of BS. You can shove your psychology books up your ass. All of these psychology books on trading, you can shove them up your ass. I got a bunch of psychology books here. They're just a bunch of BS. They're a bunch of BS. Where are they? I'm going to burn them. It's all about risk management. It's all about risk management, guys. Hope you enjoyed the live stream. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to wrap it up right now. Check out all the socials, guys. I'm going to wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be doing some proper technical analysis, looking at some big major levels, trading opportunities. It was fun today to watch, the volatility up, then massive dump, and now massive pump again. I don't want to trade this, guys. I want to see the levels being respected. Let's see if we consolidate or if we do take a direction, break some levels, then we can talk about tomorrow what are the major resistance and support levels. And if we go down, we're going to talk about the support levels down below beneath this major level, okay? Check out Bitcoinsensus website, guys. We do post technical analysis ideas here every single day. It's totally free information. And join our socials. Also, they're down below in the description. Telegram group, Discord. And, we've got a great community down below. Hope you enjoyed the live stream. Not much was said. We were just enjoying the volatility from the news. So, yeah, not much technicals, guys. Sorry about that. Today's live stream. Check out today's live stream from 9 hours ago. We talked about the technical pump that could happen from Bitcoin from $18,800 to $19,400 range. Just after a couple of hours, we went to that level, guys. This was mentioned on today's live stream. Check it out if you want to see the technicals on that. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next one.